Today we're going to take a look at 3 easy methods that you can use to add text to the beginning and end of your values in Excel. All 3 methods are really easy. Let's take a look. I have these numbers here and I want to type the letters ID in front of the number. Now, one way of doing this is just to type in ID 210 here. Don't worry, I'm not going to type it in for everything. I'm just going to start typing for the second one as well, and watch this. Flash fill kicks in. It's figured out the right pattern. So at this point, all I have to do is press enter and I have the final combination. I just had to give it a sample and it figured out the pattern. Now, if you don't see flash fill kick in, you can force it by using the shortcut key Control E. Sometimes you might have to give it more than one sample, but it's usually smart enough to pick the right pattern. And it doesn't just apply to numbers, it applies to text as well. So here, if I wanted to do ID, this time let's use a dash, Tom, and then let's do ID. And as I start typing, I can see flash fill has picked up the pattern. I'm just going to press enter and I have my values. This is the easiest way of doing this. Now you can also use formulas if you want your result to be dynamic, because in this case, flash fill isn't dynamic. If this name changes to something else, you have to repeat the process. If you want it to be dynamic, you can use a formula solution. That would look like this. We type in equals. Because we're adding text, we have to use the quotation marks, ID space quotation. And now because we're going to combine text with a cell reference, I have to use the ampersand here and then reference the cell here. Okay, when I press enter, I have my values. I'm going to send this down and everything is dynamic in this case. Great, so you can repeat that same process here. And if you have formulas that use relative referencing, in this case, I can just copy and paste it here and it will automatically apply ID to the name as well. If you wanted to add text to the end of your values, you just do the same thing, but continue writing. So for the formula version, I'm going to add an ampersand here, and then let's add quotation space. Let's just do sales. Quotation and press enter. Now we get sales on all of these. Again, if this name changes to Leila, this one updates automatically, whereas this one doesn't, right? So for the flash fill version, you'd have to do it again, but let me just show you that you can also add text to the beginning or the end here as well. So we have ID Tom sales, and let's do ID Luna sales, press enter, and everything is picked up correctly. Now let's take a look at the third version of doing this. This one is an interesting one and actually one of my favorites. I'm just going to copy the source data, paste it here. What I'm going to do this time is not use a formula, not use flash fill. Instead, I'm going to use custom number formatting. So with this highlighted, I'm going to press Control 1 to bring up the number formatting, basically a format cells dialog box. Let's jump to custom. And here I get to define the formatting that I want. And I can disguise these numbers to have ID in front of them. Just type in ID space quotation. Now, because I want my number to show after this, I'm going to use the placeholder for number, which is the hash sign. If you wanted to use special number formatting like 1000 separator or decimal places, you can pick one of these formats and just type them out here. In this case, that's fine. I'm going to click on OK, and I get ID in front of each number. Now, the great thing about this is that the value that's in the cell is still your number. This means that you can use it like a number. So if I go here and add 2 to this, it's going to recognize that 300 is in the cell and it's adding 2 to 300. The formatting was automatically applied. We can see here it says custom. Let's remove it by using the general format and we can see our number here. Right, so the advantage of using this method is that you can continue to work with the numbers. Now, if you're wondering whether you can do this on text or not, yes, you can. You just have to use another type of format. Right now, if I change this to Tom, it doesn't add ID in front of it. To make sure that it works for text as well, or text or numbers, we can go back to custom number formatting. And then here you can define the type of formatting you want for text, because if you're familiar with the custom formatting dialog box, you know that you can control 4 conditions. The first one is how positive numbers are formatted. The next one between the semicolons is how negative numbers should be formatted. So in this case, let's assume I have no negative numbers. So I'm just going to be hiding them this way. Then it's how zeros should be formatted. And last is how text should be formatted. And here you can add the same text or another text if you need. I'm just going to keep it the same, go with ID. Now I need a placeholder for text, and that's the @ sign. Now when I click on OK, my text is also formatted to show ID Tom, but what's in the cell is only Tom. As you can see, each of the 3 methods has its own advantages and disadvantages. You have to decide whether you want your end result to be dynamic or not. Also, whether you need to use the original value that you have in the cell in later formulas. So let me know which option you liked best. As usual, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing. And I'm going to see you in the next video.